You won't necessarily have to draw, but we're gonna try another method because I guess you guys have finished everything, so you want to be doing something else. So I'll work on how I can give you another drawing that doesn't look just like this. A new topic, really.
Sir, can you please send the instructions in the WhatsApp group because I can't clearly see.
Oh, alright. So take a picture of the board for you then. Okay. Sure. So draw the circle, divide it into 12 equal parts using the compass method. For those who have finished those two methods, those two steps, the third method you're going to do for me while I'm taking the picture. Third method is going to be number each division anti-clockwise. So this is going to be your 0 going 1 all around to back to 12. While you're doing that, let me just take a picture of the board for those who can't see it.
Sure, where does the 0 start?
The 0 point is here, but we're going to number it anti-clockwise now. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all around the 12. Let me just send the picture in the group. Alright? Let me know when you get the picture so I can continue. Alright, so that's step 1 and 2. So the reason why I'm going back over this, right, is because I'm going to give you now a past paper question for you to try, right? And in order for me to do that, you need to know the steps of doing an involute. So step number 3. Step number 3. Can everybody see the picture in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Step number 3 now. Step of 12. Step of 12 equal divisions. Step of 12 equal divisions equal to the circumference. So let me see the hands of those who did this last term, or who remember this from last term. We did a drawing that was very similar to this. Who did it last term? I know Isaac did it. Anybody else?
So is it the involute of a circle?
Yes, but we're doing this in the opposite direction. Did you do it last term?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. So if you did it last term, because we have some new students, that's why I'm going through again. If you did it last term, I'm going to send you now a question for you to begin today. It's a past paper question. So here we go. The question says, let me take a picture for you. 1 second. Alright, here we go. So I'm sending a picture in the group. I want you to look at that drawing and tell me what you understand about it, for those who did this already. But focus on this if you didn't do it last term, please. And then now, just begin drawing the first 2 instructions on the one I sent in the group a while ago. But let's continue with this one now. So step 3 was to step off 12 equal divisions equal to the circumference of the circle. What is the formula for the circumference of a circle, guys? What's the formula? Hello?
Isn't it diameter pi?
Pi d. Or 2 or pi r squared. Isn't that right? Pi d or pi r squared. Okay? So, you're going to draw a line therefore. Here's a circle. You're going to draw a line from point 0 up here all the way out here. That is the distance of the circumference. You can calculate the circumference by saying 3.14 times 30. So this distance is really 3.14 multiplied by 30. What is that answer? What's 3.14 times 30? First person that gets it right, gets it right. Who gets it right first? What's 3.14 times 30, guys?
94.2.
Good job. Here's your reward. You get it right. Alright, 94.2. Alright, that means this distance is going to be 94.2 millimeters. Alright, so Isaac, are you seeing the picture in the group?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Do you understand what is happening there? It says you have a mechanism in
I'm
which.
still a border.
What did you say?
Still doing the border, sir.
Alright, quickly finish that. Let me know once you're finished. Then we can discuss the question. So, step 4 now. We're going to move to step 4. So after now you've drawn the line of 94.2, guess what you're going to do? You're going to divide this line into 12 equal parts using line division. Alright, so you're going to say 94.2 divided by 12, or you can draw a very faint construction line at any angle going down, connect it back to the base, then divide 94.2. So you're going to say 94.2 divided by 12 gives us, what's 94.2 divided by 12, guys? Isn't that, let me check it quickly. Quickly check it. Oh, Isaac, I sent the wrong photo. Hold on, 1 second. Sent the wrong photo. Wrong photo. 1 second. Quickly find what is 94.2 divided by 12. In the meanwhile, let me send the photo again to Isaac. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. So for persons like Isaac Harshita who have finished it already from last term, check the group for me. Do you see an isometric drawing there? Alright, what's 94.2 divided by 12? Anybody? You guys are awfully quiet today. Cameras on for me, everybody. Hold on 1 second. Cameras on. Cameras on.
Which page is that thing on?
That is on page 64.
Sir,
Yes?
can I redo this drawing that we're doing right now, for it to be better?
Sure. So if you're going to redraw it, that means you don't have a copy of what you did firstly. That means you didn't take a picture of it?
Oh no, I have it in my folder.
Okay, sure. Okay, because we're doing it in another direction, so really and truly, yeah, you could do it over. So far, we haven't reached anywhere yet because I've been going very slow, but from this point, go out 94.2, and I'm asking what is 94.2 divided by 12, since we're going to have each division on this line. Abigail, are you there? Abigail? Alright, I'm gonna just start putting people in the waiting room. This is not like my class. So firstly, Abigail, one more time, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, thank you so much. What is 94.2 divided by 12? What is this line divided by 12? Or the answer? Isn't it going to be 7.85? So since you told me 3.14 times 30, 3.14 times 30 equal 94.2, then that means when I divide 94.2 by 12, every division on this line, as long as I reach 7.85, that's going to be a division. 7.85 is going to be a division. Continue until you finish. You're going to use this angle now, bring it to this point, and make your line. Make your line. Continuously make your line.
Hey, sir, what drawing am I supposed to draw? The isometric or the first one?
The isometric that you see in the group, right? That's the one to do if you've completed this already. Alright? But if you want to do back over this, that's fine. You just have to follow with me.
So the isometric, right, sir?
Right. Because I know you finished this one already that I'm doing. So I want you to practice the isometric you see there. Showing me all the construction boxes using the 4-arc method. So step 4 now. Once you divide this line into 12 parts, you're going to number it for me. 1 to 12. Okay? Number it for me. Just as a reminder, it is in your book on page 49. So you're going to number it for me, saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Those are 11 or 12 points. Okay? Now let me do some housekeeping. Mark the register while you're finishing this. Let me see who we have. Mark the register quickly. Okay. Now step 4. Step 4 says that after you've divided your line into 12 points, okay, looking at point 7, using point 7 on your circle, comma, draw a horizontal line across. Draw a horizontal line across. So because the board is filled with notes now, I'm going to quickly show you the interpretation of this on the screen so you can follow along still. Alright, let me just quickly show it on the screen.